Hi everyone! In today's video I want to tell you about this shopper. One of my followers wrote me and asked to make a tutorial for checkered bag. I decided to crochet the simplest version, but at the same time I wanted to make it beautiful. The bag is very capacious. Measurements of the bag will be on the screen. So let me tell you about materials that I needed. I used polyester cord 3mm. This cord is very light and soft. There are 200 meters in one skein and the weight is 230 grams. So if your 3mm cord weighs more than mine, it's better to take 2.5 or 2mm cord. Otherwise the bag will be very heavy. I spent about 300 or 330 meters from both color, but of course you can change size of your bag as you wish. Also, I used artificial leather handle with a length 60 centimeters. The shopper is without any clasps and linings. Thanks to the pattern, the wrong side is very beautiful, so I decided to leave it without the lining. Plus, I didn't want to add something even more so not to make the bag heavier. I chose light colors deliberately so that the process of crocheting could be visible well. I crocheted from beige and gray colors. You can choose any color and make really cool combinations. I will post a tutorial for this bag in separate video. Don't forget to check it out. I think I told you everything I wanted and I'm waiting for your reactions. Did you love this bag? Please write in the comments section what do you think. And I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. There will be even more content in the future. Bye!